Good day to you. I'm going to present the topic error control. In data link layer, we uses the techniques of error control simply to ensure and confirm that all the data frames or packets, that is bit streams of data, are transmitted or transferred from sender to receiver with certain accuracy. Using or providing error control at this data link layer is an optimization. It was never a requirement. Error control is basically process in data link layer of detecting or identifying and retransmitting data frames that might be lost or corrupted during transmission. In both of these cases, receiver or destination does not receive correct data frame and sender or source does not even know anything about any such losses regarding data frames. Therefore, in such type of cases, both sender and receiver are provided with some essential protocols that are required to detect or identify such type of errors like loss of data frames. Each and every time an effort is detected during transmission, particularly data frames retransmitted, and this process is known as automatic repeat request. Here we have two ways of doing error control that are given here. One, error detection, second one, error correction. Let's we see one by one. Error detection, as name suggests, simply means detection or identification of errors. These errors may cause due to noise or any other impairments during transmission from transmitter to the receiver in communication system. It is class of technique for detecting. In error correction as name suggests simply means correction or solving or fixing of errors. It simply means reconstruction and rehabilitation of original data that is error free. But error correction method is very costly and it is very hard too. There are various techniques for error control. The various techniques of error control are given as follows. In error control techniques, we have two types: stop and wait ARQ, sliding window ARQ. In sliding window, we have two types: go back and ARQ and selected repeat ARQ. Here the first one, in stop and wait ARQ, it is also known as alternating bit protocol. It is one of the simplest flow and error control technique or mechanism. This mechanism is generally required in telecommunications to transmit data or information among two connected devices. And this process to stop and wait continues until the sender has no data frame or packet to send. Second one, sliding window ARQ. In this, we used for continuous transmission error control. It is further classified into go back and ARQ and selective repeat ARQ. Here, go back and ARQ is form of ARQ protocol in which transmission process continues to send or transmit total number of frames that are specified by window size even without receiving an acknowledgement packet from the receiver. It uses sliding window flow control protocol. If no error occurs, then operation is identical to sliding window. One, selective repeat ARQ. Selective repeative ARQ is also a form of ARQ protocol in which only damaged or lost data frames are only transmitted. This technique is similar to go back and ARQ, though much more efficiency than go back and ARQ technique due to the reason that is reduced number of retransmission. In this, the sender only transmit the frames for which negative acknowledgement is received. But this technique is used less because of more complexity at sender and receiver, and each frames must be needed to acknowledged individually. This is about error control. Thank you.